Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah rabbil alamin. Wa bihi nasta'in ala umuri dunya waddin, wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin wa ala alihi washabihi ajmain, amma ba'du. Okay, in this occasion I want to continue to my presentation about lab and AJRV, and continue to lab a about AJRV summarization. This slide demonstrates AJRV summarization, which is a technique used to reduce the size of routing tables. The scenario: we have a network with three routers, router 1, router 2, and router 3. Router 3 has multiple routers that are being advertised to router 1 and router 2. The output on router 1 shows several individual routers from router 3 IP address 3330 prefix 24 and 23000 prefix 24. The goal to make the routing table on router 1 smaller and more efficient by combining multiple routers into a single summary address. This improves network scalability and reduces the civil load on routers. The configuration: the common IP summary address AJRV 10 3300.25.5.25.500 is configured on router 3 fast Ethernet 00 interface. This command tells AJRV to summarize all the specific IP address 3 routers behind that interface into a single large summary route and advertise it to router 2. The following commands on router 1 use the test accessibility before and after summarization to ensure that connectivity is not lost. Delivery modes. This slide provides a high-level explanation of different IP delivery modes with a foundational concept for understanding how AJRV sends its packet. And the first is unicast, one-to-one communication. A single sender sends data to a single receiver. AJRV uses unicast to send a reply to a specific neighbor. And second is broadcast, one-to-all communication within a network segment. All devices on the same subnet receive the packet. And the next is multicast, one-to-many communication. A single sender sends data to a specific group of receivers who are listening for the traffic. AJRV use multicast to the address 20 not 20 but to 224.00.10 to discover and send hello packet to other AJRV routers on the same network segment. Anycast, one-to-any communication. The packet is routed to the nearest recipient from a group of potential receivers. This is not suffered by FE4. Understanding this model helps clarify why AJRV use different types of packet for different purposes, such as hello packet, multicast, and unicast updates. And the next is Lab 9 AJRV unicast update part 1. This slide introduces the concept of AJRV unicast updates. By default, AJRV uses a combination of multicast and unicast packets. This slide forces AJRV to use only unicast updates. The scenario: this is continuation of the previous slide with three routers. By default, AJRV sends multicast packet to discover neighbors and exchange hello message. The configuration, the network 12.12.1.0.0.0.0 and the subnet is 0.0.0. Command is used on both router 1 and router 2 to enable AGRP on the 12.12.12 prefix 24 subnet, and the output is debug IP packet details. Command on router 1 confirms that IGRV is sending and receiving multicast packet to and from the multicast address 20 or 224.00.10. The is 12 20 12 1 indicates the source is router 1 and the destination is 224.00.10 indicates the destination is the AGRV multicast group. And the next is AGRV Unicast update part 2. The slide shows how to explicitly configure AGRV to send unicast updates instead of multicast. The goal is to change the network discovery process from multicast to unicast. This is typically done to conserve bandwidth or in network environment where multicast is not so supported, and the configuration is the netborn command is used on both router 1 and router 2. The command netborn 12.12.12.2 in gigabyte on gigabyte 140 on router 1 tells it to send AGRV packet directly and only to routers 2 IP address. Similarly, router 2 is configured to send packet directly to router 1 and only to router 2 IP address. Similarly, router 2 is configured to send the packet directly to router 1. The output is you just enter the debug IP packet detail command, and you can look in here. The destination is 12 IP address from router 2 in gigabyte Ethernet 1/0 LAN 60 sending proto 88, and this the and continue to the left. The next slide is about AGRV default route summary address. You must checking first the IP route you and just show IP route or do show IP route, and you can see is here. About IP address 3330 via 12.12.12.2 on gigabyte Ethernet 0 for 1 gigabyte Ethernet 140. In this, you go to router 3 and you enter the command interface post Ethernet 00, and you must remove first no IP address, no IP summary address AGRV. AGRV 10 is IS number, IS number, and enter the IP address and subnet mask, and you make the IP summary default route. In default route, you just enter 000 IP address 00 and subnet 00 and exit, and you can show IP route, and you can see the gateway of last resort is 000 to network 000, and here you can see 000 prefix 0 is a summary. Yeah. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Sorry if I have some mistake. Wal akhiran, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.